Chapter 7 Combustion. Here materials which produce heat energy on burning in air are called fuels. Combustion. Here combustible materials. The materials which on heating in the presence of air or oxygen catch fire easily, produce heat and light energy are called combustible materials. Combustion. Definition of combustion. The chemical process in which a substance burns in air or oxygen with the release of heat and light energy is called combustion. The substance that undergoes combustion is called a combustible substance or fuel. A fuel may be solid, liquid or gaseous. Food is a fuel for our body. Energy is produced during the combustion of food. Condition required for combustion. Oxygen present in air helps in combustion of a fuel. It is therefore called a supporter of combustion. In pure oxygen, a substance burns 5 times faster than in air. Ignition temperature. Several times it is asked, what is ignition temperature or kindling temperature? The lowest temperature at which a combustible substance catches fire is called its ignition temperature. More than 5,000 years ago, Egyptians made matchsticks by coating small pieces of pine wood with sulfur. These caught fire easily when they were rubbed strongly with each other. As a result of such rubbing, friction raised the temperature of sulfur above its ignition temperature and made it catch fire. Thus, in turn, ignited the pine wood pieces. For combustion, 3 conditions are necessary. There must be a combustible substance, there must be a continuous supply of oxygen or air, the temperature should be above the ignition temperature of the combustible material. Types of combustion: slow combustion, rapid combustion, and spontaneous combustion, explosive combustion. Substances which have a low ignition temperature and hence catch fire easily with a flame are called inflammable substances. Fire control. There is a combustible material, there is a continuous supply of air, the temperature of combustible material is higher than its ignition temperature. Here, do you know, here soda acid type fire extinguisher works in the following manner. Here try to understand soda acid type fire extinguisher. In this extinguisher you are seeing carbon dioxide is released through this fire extinguisher. If at a place there will be carbon dioxide, you know, for burning oxygen is essential, but if there is carbon dioxide, in this case, is it possible to burn anything? Not possible. And fire extinguisher releases carbon dioxide, so they will stop fire. Okay, so we use fire extinguisher. If the fire is caused by an electric short circuit, it should not be extinguished by pouring water of carbon dioxide foam. It is because the electric current will flow through water, thereby giving a severe electric shock which may prove. In such case, supply of electric current should switch off and fire brigade should be called immediately. What happens when there is incomplete combustion? This is answer of E1. Okay. Several times I have seen that this question is coming in the examination. Here flame, very hot, moderately hot, least hot, outer zone of complete combustion, non-luminous, middle zone of partial combustion, luminous yellow, innermost zone of unburnt wax vapors black flame. Innermost zone, middle zone, outermost zone. Now calorific value of a fuel. The amount of heat energy produced on completely burning 1 kilogram of fuel is in pure oxygen is called the calorific value of fuel. Calorific value is expressed in kilojoules per kilogram. Characteristics of a good fuel: be cheap, readily available and easy to transport, be easy to store, have a high calorific value, not produce harmful gases after burning. All these things. Now try to understand about global warming and acid rain. Global warming: combustion of fuels releases carbon dioxide in the environment. Excess of carbon dioxide in air can trap heat energy which can raise the temperature of the earth. This is termed as global warming. Simply, warming of the earth is termed as global warming. Now acid rain. Burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas. It is an extremely suffocating gas. It also dissolves in water vapor or to produce sulfuric acid. When it rains, the acid thus produced can damage buildings, plants and trees. Such rain is called acid rain. Okay. Now question answer time. Above, slow, innermost, outer zone, carbon dioxide, false, true, iron, its ignition temperature, blue zone 0.1 hydrogen kilojoule per kg carbon dioxide. Careless and polite. Now question answer, chapter 7. You may pause the video and revise all question answer. There is no problem. This is a short chapter. You may pause the video and you are able to revise all question answer. Here, this is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for upcoming video. Thank you. Have a nice day.